Hi there, Nancy here. Listen up as I share my latest tip of focusing on large gift fundraising. You've probably heard me say this is we would come in these 3 days or we would be online. And we had someone in the accounting department check in the mail, and let us know when checks came in or anything came in that we needed to be aware of. And these last 3 days, we were on the phone, either calling certainly board members who we had not received money from, because there's always a board member or two who's forgotten. We always want to remind them. And then we'd call others that we always heard from. And you might say, hey, this is Nancy with ABC Nonprofit. I just want to make sure we can count on you this year. You're so incredibly supportive every year, and we are so thankful for you. And either give me a call or let me know if you have any questions. I hope we can count on you. Thanks a bunch. Bye. That's a voice message. So that's what we were doing these last 3 days, big days. People are writing checks, okay? And you decide your bandwidth, what you can do. I have these in darker green because they're more money. Green's money. This is important. This is a holiday, and I would not do anything the Friday, the 30th. This is the season for asking. Be sure you are signed up to receive my quick tips and strategies each week by clicking the link here. See you next time.